Ever felt like your short-term rental is missing that wow factor? Or are you tired of leaving notes and paper trails, only to find guests frustrated to locate the Wi-Fi password? Introducing HelloGuestScreen, your secret weapon to transform your Airbnb, VRBO, or any short-term rental into a 5-star experience. For less than 50 cents a day, your rental can go from basic to breathtaking. No more app downloads for your guest. Your guests just simply pop on the TV, and they are greeted with a personalized welcome. Calendar-driven with your guest name and elevated personal touch, while video insets showcase your city's charm.
But wait, there's more. Share information effortlessly with QR codes, bid farewell to Wi-Fi password hunts, and create a stress-free haven for your guests.
Worried about the cost? No problem. Subscribe for $14.99 per month for one screen, or get 5 screens for just $21.99. It's a small investment for big returns. Increase your nightly rate by $1, and remember this investment is a write-off. Compatible with any smart TV with the Amazon or Google Play Store, or simply use a Fire Stick or Google Chromecast device. HelloGuestScreen is your ticket to increasing your property's ratings. So say goodbye to the ordinary and hello to the extraordinary with HelloGuestScreen. Your guests will thank you. Subscribe today with a 14-day free trial, and for a limited time, we will set up your first screen free of charge. Watch your rental become the talk of the town.